Hey guys, in today's video I am going to show you how to use spring compressors on a strut assembly, guys. Pretty straightforward. So you can buy these for around $40-50. This is what they look like. I believe I got these ones at Napa a few years ago. I think they were 50 bucks. They work great. Okay, let me put these on and show you how this works. Okay guys, so I got them on. So take a really good look at how you put these on. See, they gotta be like that. I took a wrench. I didn't like crazy tighten them, but just enough so they kind of stay there. See, just like that. I got them directly across from each other, see? And now what you do is you grab some crescent wrenches, right? And you're gonna start tightening these. So you're gonna do I don't know, like 10 turns on one side, 10 turns on the other side. Back and forth, making sure it's equal. And that will slowly compress. And you have to compress it to a point where the spring gets loose in here. You'll see it not push on here anymore. It will just be loose. So I'm gonna do that right now. Okay guys, so check it out. See, it's completely loose. See, look, which means the spring is compressed. See, so now what we're gonna do is you put in an Allen key, see, like that, and that will prevent it from spinning. But look at this special tool that I have here, right here. So this is like an oxygen sensor removal tool. This is a 22 millimeter, this one. See, and what it does is it allows you to go like this and then put the Allen key and get it to hold it.
Oh, good to know you have that oxygen sensor remover, Tom, because that will come in handy when I do my exhaust soon.
Okay, I had to go get this thing. So now you just put this in there like this.
Oh, I like the way that works.
See, and then you hold that. You could use one of these. And I believe this is maybe one size too big, but it should still get it. Okay, ready? Okay, I'm gonna put it on the ground and try. Okay, ready?
You want me to see if I can put my hand on the other side of it, maybe?
Yeah. Okay, ready?
Yeah. That help at all?
Yeah, I think you got it.
You know me. Just going out of my way to help an old friend, no big deal. Remember me when you're loaded.
Yeah, that worked.
All right. What else you got to say now?
Okay, so now all we're gonna do is remove this, obviously. So let's do that. Ready, guys? Gotta remove that nut. So you got nut first. And there's a washer in there. See that? And then there's this contraption. See, like that. Then there's another washer, which I'm not too sure if we're going to be using that. And yeah, and that's it, guys. So there is your strut if you're changing a strut. See? Then you would put this on the new strut and put everything on just the way it was, guys. Okay, so now you know how to use one of these. So just slowly release the tension to release the tension off the spring, guys. And that is that.
That's how you do it the right way. Guys, like, subscribe. It'll be massively appreciated and you won't regret it. I'll tell you that right now.
Thanks for watching.